Is your Baxi boiler showing error code 125? Let's get your heating back on. First, this code means a primary circulation fault. Water isn't moving correctly through your system, triggering a safety lockout. The most common cause is low water pressure. Check your gauge. If it's below 1 bar, the pump can't circulate water. Top it up to 1.2 bar using the filling loop, then reset the boiler by holding the R button. Next, check for airlocks. If radiators are cold at the top, air might be blocking the flow. Bleed your radiators starting downstairs. Work your way up, then check your pressure again. If pressure is fine, your pump may be seized. This requires a gas-safe registered engineer to fix. System sludge can also block the heat exchanger. A professional power flush is usually the best solution. Prevent this with an annual service and by fitting a magnetic system filter to catch debris early. For more expert heating advice, subscribe to Boilers2Go. Keep your home warm this winter.